Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare TQQQ with UPRO. I'm someone who loves investing to ETFs, but more than investing I love analyzing ETFs and how well they are performing. And if you have some good ETFs that you want me to compare and make videos on, definitely share it down below in the comments and I'm really excited to do that. So without further ado, let's start. Also, down below in the description, if you want to learn how you can make more money with ETFs, I created a course for you. Check it out. Now, TQQQ with UPRO. Both are issuer pro shares and both got really similar expense ratio. When we look on the assets under management, you see that 18.52 billion comparing to 3 billion right here on a UPRO. But TQQQ is copying 100 index of number of holdings 103 to 100 companies, comparing to UPRO copies SP 500, number of holdings 506. When we go further, and this is where the fun begins, we can even see the performance. And when you look here, many times TQQ was overperforming UPRO, and I even have a backtest here. So I'm going to create again for you. So when I go TQQ with UPRO, and let's say that we have initial investment $10,000. And let's say start the year to end the year, but let's go that we would start investing in 2010. Asset portfolio number 1, portfolio number 2, and look at this. Now when I'm going to analyze portfolios, I want to show you the performance of both. So ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ, a ticker TQQQ, initial balance, final balance, you would have $1 million. On the other hand, with SP 500, 10,000, you would end up with 250,000. And you can see even the annual returns here, that many times it was overperforming, like primarily 2020, TQQ was destroying UPRO. And then we're gonna see also the numbers right here. I don't know if you see it, but 3 months, 1 year, 3 year, 5 year. Yep. So TQQ was overperforming UPRO. And when we go further, I want to show you, these numbers are bad. I want to show you the holdings. Here it is. Yep. So UPRO holdings, you see right here, Apple, Microsoft, they got technology 20%, financial 10, consumer services nearly 9, healthcare 7.62, industrials, so they're more diversified. Now when we compare it to right here, TQQQ is on technology heavily because right now top 100 Nasdaq companies technology, and that's like kind of good, but it is what it is, right? And it can be like quite risky, but when you compare it for the past 10 years, it was performing damn well. And both of these ETFs, leveraged ETFs, are great for short-term holding, short-term gains, and for swing trading, and that's really good. Now, when I'm going to read also the Reddit comments here, I prefer it has given better risk-return ratio in the past compared to TQQQ. That's true. Like TQQQ is more riskier comparing to UPRO, and yeah, and many times people are choosing between these two, so there's like up to you which one you're gonna choose. They're kind of similar. UPRO is less riskier, but also the potential revenue from it, not the revenue, return from it is lower. You can see right here. War 0 minus 25%. But yeah, imagine in 2010, then you would get 10,000. You don't even need Bitcoin. You can just like put money to leverage ETF and you're good to go. So annual returns right here. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions about TQQQ or UPRO they would like to know and understand, ask me down in the comments. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.